Within the business management will always be the choice of one of several choices, which will increase the value of the company or you can stop their activities. Therefore, in the difficult task of identifying and choosing the best decision to bring more benefits than losses, the decision tree technique is used to improve vision and structure the different alternatives present. Conceptualization. The decision tree technique is used in different areas where different alternatives are presented and want to choose the best. It allows us to structure the problem and possible solutions. This technique is suitable in project management and financial management, as clearly analyze possible options for solving problems in various scenarios. The decision tree views the results and possible consequences of taking a decision. It takes into account all the alternatives and whether this is beneficial or not for achieving the objectives. You can place values and probabilities that such alternatives are given this information in different scenarios. Important when the financial sector is so volatile and change position with each decision. Helps manager to visualize whether to invest in such a project in a respective scenario, which will result in benefits and risks. So for the explanation we have this example. The UPO is considering to hire another teacher of English. The professor will cost them an additional year. For the new example, the UPS is considering to hire another teacher of English. The professor will cost them an additional year, 55,000 in salary and benefits. If a large number of students in college this year anticipate an additional 37,500 revenue. If there is a lot of students, they could lose 10,000 out of the total net income last year. Because the government has granted scholarships, it thought to be a 70% change of a lot of students and a probably of 30% of fewer students if you will extend the same income as last year. For this example, we have the cost of hiring of 25,000 and the profits. We have two examples of them, the profits and the losses. The profits will gain 37,500 and the losses will cost 10,000. Then we have the probability of both scenarios. In the probability of the profits we have a 70% of chances, and in the probability of the losses we have a 30% of chance. To take the MVP, we make the next explanation. You multiply the probability against the profits, so you will gain 26,250. Then for the losses you will have the same information. It's the same procedure. You multiply the probability against the losses, 0.3 against the 10,000, and then you will have the investment of hiring a new teacher. So the profit to hire a new teacher will be in losses. It will be negative, because if you decide to hire a new teacher, you will lose 1,650. In conclusion, the technique of the decision tree is an important to improve visualization and structuring alternatives that may arise to solve a problem. For manager or different department within a company helps making decisions as brightens the possible result that will be achieved with the proposed alternative.